Hello, we're already here in Brisbane. So we're looking for food. Actually, it's not easy to look for food here. Like if you need rice, if you eat rice, you're gonna have a hard time, right? If you wanna eat rice, it's gonna have a hard time here. So mostly they sell here like sandwiches.
It won't be a hard time. There's plenty of rice.
There's plenty of rice, but we need to to look for it. Maybe in Chinatown. This is Brisbane! Yes! We're here already in Brisbane. Walking along the street with Dave and Marivic. Ayan. Diba ang ganda ng Brisbane? This is one of my favorites. This is the river there na? The river is there.
I believe it.
I think so. We're here in the downtown, Elizabeth Street. Ayun. Diba? Ang daming gwapo dito. Ang ganda ng tao. Different. Ang dami
This
naka-blank.
is where we usually go to the Irish bar. We get
Yes. True.
O'Neill's
Onions is here.
Irish bar. With the Guinness and the steak. That's a fact.
Ayan. So, yun lang. We're here in downtown Brisbane. Looking for food. We're hungry already. So, yun. Maganda dito. Magandang weather. It's spring here. So, not so hot, not so cold. Just tamang-tama lang. And that's the Target. Ayan, Target po. Central. Diba ang saya? We're here already in Brisbane.
Target.
Yeah, Target. Maybe downstairs there's a food court. We're looking for cheap food, you know, like $3, $6. Tingnan natin kung meron dito sa Brisbane. Kasi Australia is really expensive here. So, magtitipid kami. Diba? Yeah, we wanna save money, you know. Expensive dito. So, yun lang. Baka dito sa, maganda dyan sa Target. Okay? Sige, bye-bye for now. See you in a bit. So, I'm looking for something to eat. Okay? Bye-bye. Ayun.